Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Muhammad Mudassir Ali, Assistant Professor, Institute of Biochemistry and Biotechnology, US Lahore. My topic of presentation is the contribution of biotechnology to food, innovations, impacts, and future prospects. First of all, we must have an idea about what is meant by biotechnology in food. Basically, biotechnology in food refers to the application of scientific techniques and processes to modify living organisms, cells, and molecules for the purpose of developing new or improved food products, enhancing food production, and addressing challenges in food security, safety, and nutrition. The contribution of biotechnology in the food industry is vast and multifaceted. Here are some key contributions of biotechnology in food. Improved crop traits, enhanced nutritional value, increased yield and productivity, extended shelf life and food safety, addressing food security challenges, personalized nutrition and health. Next is innovations in biotechnology. If we talk about the innovations in biotechnology, then we must talk about genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are those organisms whose genetic material has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. This modification involves the insertion, deletion, or modification of specific genes to introduce desired traits or characteristics into the organisms. Next is the benefits of GMOs in agriculture and food production. First benefit of GMO is increased crop yields. Genetically modified organisms engineered for pest resistance, disease resistance, and herbicide tolerance often yield higher harvest as compared to non-genetically modified counterparts. Reduced chemical inputs. Genetically modified organisms engineered for pest resistance and herbicide tolerance require fewer chemical pesticides and herbicides for effective crop protection and weed control. This reduces the environmental impact of agriculture, minimizing pesticide residues in food and preserving ecosystem health. Next benefit of GMO is improved crop quality. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, can be engineered to enhance nutritional content, flavor, and shelf life, improving the overall quality and marketability of food products. Crop adaptation to climate change. GMOs engineer for resilience to climate-related stresses such as heat, drought, and salinity enable crops to thrive in changing environmental conditions. Innovations in food processing. Genetically modified organisms and genetically engineered enzymes are used in food processing and manufacturing to improve efficiency, quality, and safety. Crop adaptation to climate change. GMOs engineered for resilience to climate-related stresses such as heat, drought, and salinity enable crops to thrive in changing environmental conditions. This helps farmers to mitigate the adverse effects of climate change on crop productivity and livelihoods. This is the diagrammatically explanation that how GMOs are revolutionizing the food production industry. These are drought tolerance, extended shelf life, herbicide tolerance, improved crop yields, reduced production cost, and enhanced nutritional content of the food. Next innovations in biotechnology is biofortification techniques. Biofortification is a process that aims to enhance the nutritional content of food crops by increasing the concentration of essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients through conventional breeding, or genomic practices, or biotechnology. If we talk about some benefits of biofortification techniques, then these are some benefits of biofortification techniques. Contribution to the correction of a demonstrated micronutrient deficiency. Second one is the preservation or minimization of the risk of occurrence of micronutrient deficiency. Next is potential for improvement in the nutritional status and dietary intakes that may be or may become suboptimal as a result of changes in dietary habits. Beneficial effects of micronutrients consistent with the maintaining or improving health. These are some benefits of biofortification techniques. Next, we talk about the impacts of biotechnology on food. Basically, biotechnology has had profound impacts on food industry, influencing various aspects of food production, processing, distribution, and consumption. Here are some key impacts of biotechnology on food. Number one is increased agricultural productivity. Next is improved nutritional quality, reduced environmental impact, enhanced food safety, increased crops yields, reduced pesticide use, and improved food quality. These are some important impacts of biotechnology on food. This is the graphical representation for application of biotechnology in food sector. First and most important is increased crop yields, enzymes, biofuel, fortification of crops, reproduction in agriculture, fermentation, pest-resistant crops, disease-free plants. These are some applications of biotechnology in the food sector. If we talk about the future prospects and challenges, the future of the biotechnology holds immense promises for addressing global challenges related to climate change, population growth, and food security. Let's break it down one by one. First one is climate change. Biotechnology can contribute to addressing climate change by developing crops that are more resilient to extreme weather conditions, such as drought resistance or flood resistance varieties. Second one is population growth. With the world's population steadily increasing, there is a growing demand for food. Biotechnology offers the possibility of increasing agricultural productivity without expanding into new areas of land. And last one is the food security. Biotechnology plays a vital role in ensuring the food security by enhancing the nutritional value and productivity of crops. Through genetic engineering, scientists can develop crops that are more resistant to pest and disease, reducing the risk of the crop failures. These are some future prospects and challenges in the field of food biotechnology. The last one is conclusion. In conclusion, the contribution of biotechnology to the food industry is profound and multifaceted. Through innovative research and development, biotechnology has revolutionized agricultural practices, improved crop yields, and enhanced food quality and safety. The impacts of biotechnology on food production, from genetically modified crops to novel food products, have been significant, addressing challenges such as climate change, population growth, and food security. Thank you.